Welcome to a new spring semester at Bloomsburg University, students. We promised you a new, fresh take on the Bolt how-to pages. Well, we delivered. You can find our new improved Bolt how-to by clicking Help, then Bolt how-to in bold. Student help articles and video tutorials are available at the IMDC info base. You can search what you're looking for, you can check out related articles, access step-by-step documentation, and watch our video tutorials on the page. To return to the student info base, click Student in the breadcrumb trail. And just a secret, ignore the login features and the check ticket status links. These are for our support staff only.